Today we're in Shandong, in a strong factory, in our potential plant and partner. So let's take a detailed look and see what's happening inside this factory. Very fancy logo here. Yeah. 你好，你好，你好，你好。那我们接下来就大概看一下这个地方。
大概逛一下。
好的。Okay. And I want to say it's really rare to get deep access into a manufacturer like Hanon. So we owe a big thank to Erica, their operational lead, who personally arranged this full tour from RD to the production line and to show us how they really work.
The first thing you see here is Hanon's own instrument on display. It's a quick but powerful first impression.
At the next, Erica will take us heading to the heart of innovation, the RD lab. We will meet the scientist who turned the concept into reality and ask her about toughest challenge in developing reliable lab instruments. 太阳挺好的今天。你好，老师。你好。这过来学习一下。
To be honest, I was impressed by her patience and deep expertise in explaining the entire process.
So, what really matters for a lab instrument? I think that's consistent performance. So next, we'll see how Hanon guaranteed that.
When you walk in, the scale is clear. For instruments, like their HPLC system, every test is mapped out to meet strict international standards. It's very systematic and really impressive.
So, leaving the RD, we're off the assembly floor where precision manufacturing happens. So, you know what's making me more impressive? So, Hanon even produced its own critical parts in-house. So, it's vertical integration, like their automated sheet metal line, gives them totally quality control from the ground up. So that's very amazing part.
So our partnership with Hanon is a foundation we're proud of. We're looking forward to enabling greater contributions to global research together.